Students of the Delhi College of Engineering have made a mark at the Formula Student 2003 competition in the UK. 16 students begged and borrowed parts to build the car that finally drove them to the victory stands.
So I wanted to ask you, what exactly is Team Defianz Racing?
I'm the nigga, lime the track. Fuck it down, do what's that? Straight up at the Chris, but we know we said they'll never let. Boy, they got me on the thing. And Leezo, get my pick. Weezo, whatever you gotta be the.
Team Defianz Racing is the official Formula student team of Delhi Technological University. We build electric Formula-style race cars for the past 5 years. And before that, we built combustion vehicles. Our team is Asia's first Formula student team, and it was started back in 2003. We have the richest legacy of all student teams here in India, and we were the first team to go to the international stage and represent India on the global level. Our team has a rich history of producing performance vehicles in all combustion categories, electric categories, and currently we are working on the driverless category. Our team is known for taking challenges that is unprecedented and working through various challenges defiantly. Maybe that is why our seniors named the team Defianz. And this team is as much as a group of people who are always motivated. I have seen people cry, I have seen people give up, but they always come back. This team always comes back and it always clutches.
Something about Formula Student.
Formula students. It's absolutely brutal.
Tell me about what is Formula Student.
फॉर्मूला स्टूडेंट गाड़ी बनानी है, जाके जीतना है, यही है फॉर्मूला स्टूडेंट.
Can you explain it a little more?
Okay, so basically in Formula Student, we engineering students come together to design a car and manufacture it in a given period of time so that we can compete against other engineering students. So it's basically a competition where we learn a lot and we learn from different teams, different designs. We make our own designs. So it's basically about designing only, not exactly a race, but how far we can go with our designs. Basically कितनी fast अपनी कार बना पा रहे हो, कितना torque दे पा रहे हैं, कितने अच्छे से हम manage कर पा रहे हैं.
The competition कहाँ पे होगा?
So we are going to take part in 3 competitions this time. One is Supra SA in both international circuit, Noida. The second one will be in Coimbatore, that is Formula Bharat. And third one we will go to Europe most likely. FS Germany या फिर FS Czech हमारा target है.
Okay, so most of your members have talked about TIs and points. So what is the system of getting a TIs cleared and the point system?
Okay, so basically, like I told before, we have to make a car ourselves. So before running the car in dynamic events, basically the track events where we have to drive, there are a sequence of checks. These are the technical inspections. So for example, first one is the battery check, that is the accumulator inspection. Then comes the electrical inspection, then comes the mechanical inspection. So we have to clear all these inspections and then only we are allowed to take part in the dynamic events.
If you have to describe Formula Student in a line or a word, what will it be? Ready? Hi, can you give me your introduction?
Hi, my name is Pranav and I was the team manager for the last batch and currently a team advisor.
So, can you tell me about the legacy and the past of Team Defianz Racing from 2003 to now 2026?
Oh, so where do we start from? Once I got to know about the team and joined the team and spent 6 months in the team, you start to get to know about the legacy of the team. And from 2003, we have people, different batches have been making cars, right? So when I got to know that we are Asia's oldest team and we've manufactured 20 plus more vehicles. And once you get to know about this, you start wondering how many cars have been manufactured, what kind of cars have been manufactured, right? So from 2003 to 2019, our team was making combustion vehicles. Then I think COVID hit, and like everything, the team stopped, university stopped. People in our seniors thought that it's the best time that we start studying about EV, and once the pandemic stops, we'll get to manufacturing EVs. From 2021, we started manufacturing EVs, got into an entire research phase that we'll manufacture EVs. And last year was the first year where we manufactured such a car that was able to clear all the TIs, get onto Karimoto Speedway, and do its magic.
During a submission,
Yeah.
what was the scenario at that time in the lab amongst your members, and how you uplifted your team?
So
And
when situations like these arise, when there is a penalty that we are facing, or in the competition we are not able to clear TIs. For example, Formula Bharat 2025 was 2025 we didn't clear any TIs. But I think the main thing that the team has and the people in the team have is that they don't give up. We didn't give up. We felt bad. We went back to our PGs. We went back to our hostel, slept. The next day we came back. We didn't give up. And I think that is the one and the most important thing in the team. You fail, but you don't give up. You fail again, and you keep on failing. You keep on crying, you keep on failing, but you don't give up. And then one day you see the success right in front of you. You see that car that you have thought about every night before sleeping, and that is right there and it's running. And I think that is the most beautiful part about this entire process.
And what is team defense racing for you?
Yeah.
Totally.
For me, it has been the best learning experience it could have been. I have not studied in the college, but I have worked here day and night. And I think the one thing that I'll remember the most is how every day we just came to the lab, enjoyed, built something beautiful, worked hard, and kept on doing this. And even today, now that I have we have passed on the team to our juniors, every day I still feel that I wish I could go back to those days and build an entire car again.
That's it.
Camera con.
What do you think about your team currently? How is it? How much confidence do you have in your team?
It's a bit of a dicey thing, I would say, because we are currently in 2 to 3 months into the core year, and it's been hard to actually manage the team and actually start how things are done. It's really hard, but we are trying to figure things out. We are improving as the competition goes on, and hopefully, yes, this team has it. This team has what it takes to win.
Team defense was the first team to have performance in car. Then was one of the first ones to be in the electric category, and now will be the first ones to be in the driverless category. What are your thoughts on that, and why is Team Defense Racing always ahead of the competition?
The name tells us all. Team Defianz Racing. The name Defiance, it tells that these are the people that defy the logic, that defy the people. There are many countless people that doubt us, that think that how these people will be able to do this. We are currently a team of, I guess, 10 to 30 people, and in international, the teams are of 100, 200 people, and we are just 20, 30. And we don't have enough enormous budget of IITs, but still we are doing it. So that's what I guess it is, the team, the blood of the team, it has it.
What would you like to say to your current members and also the students you will be recruiting this year?
For the current members, the only thing that I would like to say is, yes, we are facing many issues. Yes, we all are making many mistakes. But have a trust in us, have faith in the team. Soon we'll be winning the Super SAE. When you will be lifting the trophy, all of the mistakes will be null and void. Just focus on the goal and we will win it. For the recruiters, I will say, come and join what real engineering is. books are not just engineering. When you make a real car, that is what I call is a true real engineering.
Okay, thank you so much.
See? See है ये कब करना
Making a high performance Formula style car is a pretty big thing. You require skills, you require support, and you require funding. So how do you guys get it, and what exactly do you want from it?
We've been doing this for the last 2-3 years now, and we've had amazing alumni, amazing sponsors who've been supporting us on this journey. That's actually how we managed to complete the car when it comes to budget and when it comes to finances. So being an Indian Formula student team, we do not have a huge budget like international teams. And in India, the knowledge about motorsports, the awareness about Formula student is pretty limited, which creates problems such as people not knowing what we're doing and they're at first hesitant to support us. So what we would need from people is to help us out in any way. It doesn't have to be with money, it doesn't have to be with giving us stuff. It could just be by sharing our videos so that somebody that they know could help us out. Our sponsors have helped us out with machining, they've helped us out with parts, they've helped us out with monetary support, they've helped us out with connecting to the right people. So any sort of support in that form really helps us get the car on track.
How tough is it for you guys? अगर camera
वो चला गया
Tell me about your journey in Defianz Racing and some of the experiences of Formula.
फॉर्मूला भारत सेकंड वाला था कि जब पहली बार रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आई है हाथ में, काम करना है, ये करना है, फ्रंट विंग पे काम पहली बार कि भाई एरोडायनामिक्स डिपार्टमेंट में है कोई 2 जने इस बार, 6 साल से कोई नहीं था, तो इट वाज अ ह्यूज थिंग. आफ्टर दैट सारा मैं थे बस 2 जने मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट में, हैंडलिंग एवरीथिंग विद आवर सीनियर्स. इट वाज समथिंग एल्स. इस बार का एक्सपीरियंस वाज एक्चुअली रियली गुड. वी हैड अ वर्किंग कार. पिछले साल तो ऐसे ये था जाके पूरी चीज़ वहाँ पे असेंबल करी थी अपने फर्स्ट ईयर में. सेकेंड ईयर में तो शॉक हो रहे थे भाई कि गाड़ी इस बार सामान कम आया क्या. लाइक ये था कि इट इज बिकॉज दिस टाइम एवरीथिंग वाज माउंटेड ऑन द कार. सारे फ्रॉम द 4th ईयर टू द फर्स्ट ईयर एवरीबॉडी वाज शॉक कि भाई इस बार सामान कम कैसे आया. इट वाज गुड दिस टाइम. द कार एक्चुअली रैन. फर्स्ट नॉर्थ इंडियन टीम टू रन द कार ऑन द ट्रैक, सो प्राउड ऑफ दैट.
So अभी आने वाले सीजन से क्या मतलब?
जीतना भाई, उम्मीद कुछ नहीं है, जीतना है.
Okay, so काफी लंबे सीजन रहे हैं. There have been many hardships as well.
Yeah.
Many improvements as well. So कोई एक memory, anything, any scenario which you remember and will always be there in your mind and
ब्रेक टेस्ट पासिंग भाई, ब्रेक टेस्ट पासिंग पहली बार जब उसने वो बोला था कि ग्रीन फ्लैग दिखाया था कि ब्रेक टेस्ट क्लियर, अक्षय सर अपनी नीज पे. आई रिमेंबर क्राइंग फॉर लाइक 15 मिनट्स स्ट्रेट. आई वाज कंटिन्यूअसली लाइक सॉबिंग. मेरे को पता नहीं कितने लोगों ने कोशिश करी थी चुप कराने की, मेरे को साला हंसाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, मैं और रो रहा हूँ. मेरे को ज़्यादा पहले मैं जहाँ पे वो डायनामिक एरिया में रोने लगा, वहाँ से मेरे को कनिस्टर उठा के पिट्स में ले गया. पिट्स में रोया हूँ, बहुत रोया हूँ मैं ब्रेक टेस्ट के टाइम पे. आई नो इट वाज जस्ट ब्रेक टेस्ट, बट था कि भाई पहली बार ही TI क्लियर हुई है, गाड़ी चलेगी. एवरीथिंग दैट वाज बिल्ट अप सिंस लास्ट 2 years सारा निकल के आया था उस टाइम पे.
any one word or line with which you want to describe in Defianz Racing.
है नहीं यार, एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब या एक लाइन में डिस्क्राइब करना, इट्स नॉट. बट अगर मैं बोलूँगा ना भाई, फैमिली बोल लो यार, क्या बोलूँ, फैमिली है. थैंक यू.
Barcelona nights, heat on your skin, lost in the lights, let it begin. Barcelona nights, you on my mind, red wine, slow time, don't hit decline. Late plans. Your hand